Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me, that a vehicle when it is in high power, that is, you are stepping on the accelerator, because suddenly the valve opens, the wastegate for complete and it stays open, that is, it does not close. What happens with that? What it does is lose power to the vehicle. Why? Because of the valve, the wastegate. I have many videos about this, you can see them on the channel. The wastegate is in there. And this what it does is stay open, and when the exhaust gases remain open, which should move the turbo turbine, so that in turn the compressor propeller new, well, those gases are lost through the exhaust. If it were a turbo of variable geometry, what it would do is that the blades would remain completely open, and then the same, they would be lost, they would barely affect the turbine and they would be lost through the exhaust. Let's see, I have seen this problem recently. It is a fairly common problem. Which it happens is that sometimes it is a problem that the computer does not always detect, so from experience we know that the failure usually comes from here. Recently that same thing happened in an Audi, that it lost power, it removed the contact, it gave again to the contact and the car as if nothing had happened, and it was for this part. In that case it is called the N75, from the VAG group. It is this, as I say, the turbo solenoid valve. Also called a solenoid, because it is actually a solenoid. It is an electromagnet that it carries inside. Well, this is the problem, as I say usual. It may happen that the problem comes from another side. Because if it is the MAF sensor or even the particulate filter that is clogged and there is an overpressure there, the problem is that there would continue to be overpressure. So even if you remove the contact and turn on the contact again, the failure would continue there. But when this solenoid valve fails, when it starts to fail, well that's when you remove the contact, turn off the engine, then you turn it on again, turn it on, and again you notice that the turbo works again and the vehicle has power again. Well, here you have the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.